You're watching Cooking with Gas with Neil Gersh, and I'm your host, Neil Gersh. Today we have a doozy of a cooking show for you. One of the staple ingredients, of course, as you know, one of my favorites, is quinoa. Also, today we're going to have some wheat bread, some natural corn, some limes from my garden, and then a shallot as well, which is always a doozy. And of course, to tip it all off, garlic, which is always great, provolone to spice it up, and then, of course, kale. So come on and enjoy this cooking journey with me at Cooking with Gas with Neil Gersh. Welcome back. My co-host today is Nick Elway, head chef at Procure, the 3-star Michelin restaurant in Manhattan. So why don't you tell us how we're going to prepare the side dish of quinoa and corn?
So we're going to prepare quinoa and corn as our side dish today.
So get ready for it. Boy, I love that sound of simmering.
Neil, it's quite peaceful. A lot of people prefer the ocean. I prefer a nice cook simmer.
I wake up every morning and cry.
Maybe it's time we check on the kale.
Oh man, I love kale.
We're going to use this specialty chopper to chop up this garlic.
Oh yeah. Cut it up.
This thing really just pulverizes that garlic.
Yeah. It's like my wife is the garlic. Anyhow, so you want to put it over here? How about that?
A really crucial part of cooking kale, you want to rip the stems off. Because if you cook the stems in with the kale, it can turn out bitter.
Yeah, very bitter. Like my wife. She's dating a Yakuza gang member now. But there's nothing like kale with garlic. They really kind of offset each other and kind of bring a new flavor that enhances everything.
Are you doing okay, Neil?
I'm great.
All right.
Let's get that dish grilling.
Okay, let's grill. A nice little vegetarian touch adds a little freshness to the sandwich.
It sure does. I'm all about a fresh, earthy taste. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That looks good.
And since it's vegetarian, this meal you can cook on the cheap.
That's right. If you don't have money like me. That's really good. I just bought a gun off of Craigslist. I'm your host, Neil Gersh, and this is our guest of the week, Nick Elway.
I really think you should talk to someone.
Don't worry about it. I'm fine.